Imagine a child playing outside on a hot summer day. By evening, he is scratching non-stop because of mosquito bites and heat rash. His mother opens the medicine cabinet, takes out a pink-colored lotion, shakes it well, and applies it. Within minutes, the child feels cool and comfortable. That pink lotion? It's the famous Calamine Lotion. Today, let's understand why this simple preparation is such a powerful remedy.
Calamine has been used for centuries. Earlier, it was obtained from natural zinc ore and applied directly to the skin for its soothing effect. Over time, science refined this mineral into a pharmaceutical preparation, now official in the IP, BP, and USP as Calamine Lotion.
Notice how each ingredient has a purpose. Pharmacy is not just mixing, it's designing therapy with science. Good formulations are not judged just by looks. We check their stability, pH, viscosity, and ease of application.
Suppose you are in your pharmaceutics lab. You start by dispersing bentonite in water, then add calamine and zinc oxide to form a smooth paste. Next comes sodium citrate, glycerin, and phenol. Finally, add water to make up the volume. Transfer into a bottle and label, shake well before use. Think back to that mother treating her child. If we pharmacists don't write that label, the settled pink powder would stay at the bottom, and the lotion won't work properly. A simple label makes all the difference. Uniform pink suspension pH, approximately 7-8, easy to spread, resuspendable.
Provides cooling, soothing, and protective action. Good formulations are not judged just by looks. We check their stability, pH, viscosity, and ease of application. Good formulations are not judged just by looks. We check their stability, pH, viscosity, and ease of application.
A 10-year-old boy with chickenpox complains of severe itching. Instead of scratching and worsening the infection, his doctor advises Calamine Lotion. Regular application gives relief and prevents scarring. Here, Calamine works not as a magic potion, but as a well-thought-out pharmaceutical suspension, reducing itching and soothing inflamed skin.
Why is glycerin added? Why must the bottle be labeled "shake well before use"? How does calamine differ from ointment formulations?
Pause for students to think before revealing answers on screen.
Behind every bottle of lotion is the science you learn in your pharmacy labs. The next time you see Calamine Lotion, remember, it's not just a pink liquid, but a lesson in formulation, patient care, and the pharmacist's responsibility. This is Dr. Satish Polshettiwar, and you're watching EduDose, where pharmacy comes alive.